Hello everyone. It's nice to meet you all. Today we are going to learn about passive voice. They are made in Indonesia.
We are learning how to use sentences in the passive voice to describe objects. Passive form, what is it made of? Please observe the conversations and find the passive sentences.
Conversation 1.
The umbrella looks very artistic. I like the decoration of colorful flowers on it. Is that Indonesian art?
Yes, it is called payung gulis or beautiful umbrella. It is made in Tasikmalaya, West Java.
What is it made of?
It is made of plain waterproof paper of cloth. Then pictures of colorful flowers are painted or embroidered on the outer part of it.
Awesome.
Conversation 2.
Look at this awesome gift.
Wow, that looks nice. What is it called? Is that made in Indonesia?
Yes, it is. That is called an angklung. Angklung is a musical instrument from the Sundanese culture of West Java.
What is angklung made of?
It is made of bamboo. It is used to play, not only traditional but also modern music.
Conversation 3.
I got this awesome souvenir when I was visiting Papua last year. I love it.
What is that? Is it a bag?
It is called an oken. It is made in Papua.
It looks strong. What is it made of?
It is made of wood fiber or leaf fiber.
The bag is very big and the strap is very long.
Traditionally it is hung on the head to carry many things. See it as a symbol of hard work.
Conversation 4.
That cloth looks beautiful. Is it made in Indonesia?
Yes, it's a traditional cloth from Batak culture, North Sumatra. It is called dalos.
When do they wear it? and how?
It is worn by man and woman in ceremonial event like wedding. It is usually draped over one shoulder, or both shoulders.
Oh, I see, that's nice. What is it made of?
Ullos is made of cotton thread. The thread is woven by hand.
Now it's time for us to learn how to make passive sentences. Here is the active sentence. People call it a nokin. Move the it to the beginning and add to be. Then change the verb into verb 3. It becomes a subject. Is to be. Made is verb 3. Verb 3. In Indonesia, complement.
Exercise 1. Please find the passive sentences from the 4 conversations, and analyze them.
Look at the example, number 1 and number 2. Subject. To be. Verb 3. Complement, or object. Do like the examples.
Exercise 2. Please match the statements on column A and B.
Example, number 1 is done for you. 1. This musical instrument is called angklung. The statement is suitable with B. It is made of bamboo.